Why does your scanner show the P2447 engine code? What does it mean? P2447 is a diagnostic trouble code for secondary air injection system, pump stuck off bank 2. The P2447 engine code indicates your vehicle's engine control module, ECM, commanded the secondary air pump on during a cold start to reduce emissions, but detected it remained off or inactive. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed air pump motor, bank 2. Blown fuse or faulty relay. Damaged wiring or connections. Faulty check or one-way valve. Water contamination. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Lexus, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.